KICKASSETS. Cha-ching.
Put it on his face. Say peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Oh, you were meant to be here. Make sure it doesn't fall on him. Oh my goodness, let me keep it there. I'm gonna get a picture. How you feeling?
Good. Well, I'm kind of nervous.
You nervous? You feel excited? Kind of like, what the hell just happened?
Bit of both.
Yeah. Everybody gets like that. I still get like that.
I wasn't expecting to negotiate and pay on the view.
He said he would have accepted the money right today too. Yeah. That would have been a very first of everything. That's insane because most companies would never do that. You think it'd be like some sort of scam or something if that was happening, right?
Yeah.
Exactly, but not in Japan. Here you are. Here's a briefcase full of money. All right. I know we said it was easy to access, but I meant in front of the house. Let's see if he can get in here without hitting the edge of the. How close is he to that? Yep. Told you he's a good driver. Whoa, look how tight he is. Whoa, look at that. Folks. We're going to clean that one tight. We're going to clean that front of the house. Oh, it's really not. Pull over here.
Like a glove.
Good job. So like a glove?
Oh my god, my back.
Well,
We survived. Is the water?
so here we are. We got to take all this junk into the house. This is our second load.
Is it still on?
Second load.
Second load
This is his third load. My second load with him.
this morning.
Let's see your front of the house here.
Open it up.
Here's the outside. Let me see if anybody's here. Hello. Oh, foreigner. We're just taking a survey around here. We were just
Go away!
we were just curious. How much rent are you paying around here?
£600 a month.
Okay, you're not good for this video then. See ya.
It's free.
Okay, I thought so.
Only cost me
Come
20
on in.
20 grand.
20 grand.
Come in.
Come in. So we looked at two properties.
My dark entrance.
Yes.
I can't find the light switch for. It's disappeared.
Should I take the shoes off or no?
Nah. It's up to you, do you want? Nah. We've yet to
Turn on your electricity.
that would help.
Wow.
Ooh.
These are all the things from my house 21.
It's part of the service. Colin gives you all his furniture.
Lucky. If you come at the right time.
Yeah.
So basically, we looked at two properties, and this was the property I wanted, but you said it was out of your budget because it was 3.5 for the house, and then going to be over 4 with all the fees included. So it was $1 million over your price.
Yeah.
So, and the other house was 2.1-ish, so we would have been budget no problem on that one.
Yeah.
But I really wanted you to get this house.
With renovations. Where's the 15? That's how I'm watching the Champ I am.
But I wanted you to get this house.
Yeah.
And so what did I do?
You negotiated it on the viewing.
That's right.
See what kind of movements he had on the price, and he was like and on the phone to his manager or someone.
Yeah.
Or was he on the phone to the seller or something?
To his manager.
I just stood there in complete ignorance, and as Japanese is getting thrown around.
Yeah.
And came back, accepted the offer of what, 3 for all in.
Well, what happened is I said, well, he's like, don't lowball me, like don't go 1 million yen. I'm like, or 2 million yen. I said, well, so 2.5 is a bit, like 2 a bit low. He's like, yeah, a bit low. I said, how about 2.5ish? Can we do that? He's like, I don't think so. He was pretty rough on that. He said maybe the lowest we go is maybe 3. So I'm like, okay, 3. I'm thinking, 3, that's going to be 3.5, which is still a lot closer. I was thinking, okay, we got a deal going on here.
Yeah.
But then I told him you had a budget.
Yeah.
And I said, can you do 3 million yen all in? And he got, and that's when
and fee and
everything,
fees and stuff.
yeah, everything. So, which is hard for them to do sometimes because it means they have to adjust the price. And basically, he said, "Let me talk to my manager," and that's when he got the call back and said, "Okay."
Yeah.
Which is weird because if he just said,
He was wandering around the house, wasn't he, on the phone?
Yeah. But if he just said yes to the 2.5. It's gonna be 3 anyways. Like, so I didn't. But I did.
Trying. I did just like back and forward, I think.
Yeah. Well, that's why I just whispered to you. I said, not whisper. I said, hinted to you. Say, just say yes. Remember, I said that. Just say yes, because that was. I didn't want to explain it because I didn't want to let the offer go off the hook or whatever. You know, he's agreeing to it, whether he realized it or not. The 2.5 plus the fees would have been the same anyways, right? So saying 3 all in was a safety net to get your budget no matter what, and we wouldn't have to care what those other fees are. So
yeah,
and he kept his word.
How much should I get?
Huh?
That'll do.
So yeah, you got it exactly on your budget to the penny, to the pent. Sorry,
Pence.
pent,
Pence.
pence. Is even one. It's still 1 pence,
Yeah.
even though it's plural.
Oh, penny.
Pent.
1 penny, and then multiples pence. 2 pence.
So you for singular, you don't say 1 pen.
No.
That's
Well,
1 pence.
a penny and then 2 pence.
Okay, that's weird.
I think.
Okay.
I don't think
So-
it's 1 pence. I don't know. It sounds-
Here we are for people who haven't seen the house.
A nice little sunroom.
Yeah,
What
this
do
room-
we call it?
Sunroom. This room is beautiful.
Yeah.
It's in great shape. The floor.
Yeah.
I forgot how good it looked.
There's nothing wrong with it at all, is there?
Gotta clean
It's
the
not even like
closet.
it's smoke stained or anything, like the wallpaper or the ceiling.
No.
It's like barely, it's like a bit of grime up there, but you just wipe this down. You can go over it if you really wanted to. Nice flat surface.
I don't think. Yeah, it's good as is actually. It's really, really good. Okay, let's check what we're talking about here one more
I haven't
time.
got one paper shoji door, they're all glass. Are they better than the paper ones? Are these more expensive than the paper ones? I'm assuming they are.
Yeah, because they don't break.
When they do break, you gotta replace them.
Well, you know what I'm saying. They don't.
Look at
fall
that,
apart.
just no effort.
That's nice.
Oh, the one is already broken out.
And here's your big area. And your sauna.
Jacuzzi, all the wives will be in.
Your jacuzzi. Shower room.
Yeah, this place needs a bit of a clean.
Yeah.
An hour work.
You pretty happy?
Yeah.
You look happy.
Really tempted to try and raise all these things, but I've got no chance of doing that.
Yeah.
All the doors you need.
All right, let's
Everything.
check on the second floor here. I love your big entrance here, your nice door. Let's go check upstairs.
Aye, kapan.
Again. I mean, people have already seen this if they've seen the other video, but
Yeah.
just in case they haven't. Oh yeah, and you got 2 toilets in this house, which I forgot about.
Yeah.
Got-
I wonder if you could convert one of them, or maybe this one up here, to a shower room. Do you think that's possible?
Yeah, you could.
Or like a wet room shower bog.
Just wouldn't have any hot water. I don't know how that works actually, but I wouldn't. What was the point?
True.
Just in case you want to have your Nintendo set up in the closet, you have a power outlet up there. That's stuff.
Yeah.
That's insane. It's like, it's really weird.
I think the backside is the other cupboard in this room.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Look.
Oh, you're right.
Like, that's the bottom one from that room, and this is the top one.
Interesting.
Strange.
That is very interesting, actually. That's quite cool. So, yeah. Here's your room. Yeah, I mean, it's not horrible. It's very, very doable, so.
Wallpaper.
Yeah. And you got...
Like those things are good compared to the room.
Yeah. What the? Yeah.
Yeah, look at that, son.
It's beautiful, and there's a 7-Eleven in the distance.
Send the drone up in a minute.
Send the drone up. Just one last peek up here.
Put your head. nearly caught it.
I did get it.
Yeah, look at the size of the driveway over there. Massive, like 10-car driveway and 3-car garage.
Garage. Well, if you'd like a nice property like this, then you're out of luck because this was the last one.
Yeah.
But if you'd like something okay,
no more foreigners allowed now. That's it. I'm the last one.
If you'd like something okay, hit me up at KICKASSETS.
And if anyone's still got some qualms about Colin or whatever, I can vouch for him. He is legit.
Thank you. If they haven't realized that by now, then they're morons.
Yeah. Take the risk, otherwise you'd be dead soon. You could have had a house in Japan.
Yeah.
And Colin's as sexy as in real life as he is on YouTube. He's fighting the girls off here. He won't tell you.
Sometimes. He sees me picking up all the chicks in the restaurants and stuff.
Kind of jealous.
Yeah. I'm teaching him how to do things here, you know. My wingman. But yes. All right, well, let's continue on with our interview in the car. Depending on which order I put these videos in, but I think I'm going to start off with this.
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to continue on with the interview in the car, and we're going to talk about John's thoughts and his thought process on the 2 properties we went to see. His thought process on all the properties we went to see. Yeah. See you in a minute.
Cha-ching!
Any last thoughts there, John?
Was that cringe?
No, it's perfect. Oh. Any last thoughts you want to tell people, or?
Don't wait too long. Just kind of get a plan involved, get the plan in motion.
Yeah.
Get the funds together. Don't mess Colin around too much. Just make sure you've actually got the funds set aside. I keep telling Colin to get the funds off people, but he won't.
The safety net funds.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard to ask people to do that, you know, but I get your point why you would do that. And just in case somebody backs out.
Just not waste your time, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, my back.
It happens.
Last thoughts? Don't know. Just kind of get your what you want from the property nailed down. And kind of keep your expectations in check.
That's right. Keep your expectations in check is a very important one, you know.
Because you can't buy a £1,000 shed in the middle of Nagano or something, but you're going to spend 4 years or 30 grand doing it up. So,
or 4 years walking to the property. Yeah.
You can't buy a car here as well, so it's not like you can just come over on the 6-month visa and just buy it. You can't even buy a car and leave it here. You just can't buy one, can you? No. Without documentation. Unless you just get some private seller to give you the car or something. I don't know, ways around it, but
there's a lot of things you gotta
take into distance into consideration, because the lower the price, the more issues it comes with. And that's why you try and find the best of both worlds, or a gem as Colin calls them, which is this is
a super gem.
Yeah.
This is a super gem, especially with the price you got too. So,
and it doesn't take much to get this looking nice.
Nope. Well, it's been good. All right, so did I just miss that? All right, thanks for watching, everybody. It's been a good journey here. I'm sure you'll see this guy again in a few videos, so you won't miss him.
So you're watching this video about 3 years later than when I move in with Colin's backlog of videos. It's now 2028. If you're watching this in 2030, I'm probably dead.
It's 2026 April, buddy.
Yeah.
I just gave away. Now I have to release this now for sure.
Yeah.
Don't. So this is going to go ahead of some of my other.
Release it again.
Yeah, well, I got other videos that were supposed to go before this one, but I'm going to release this one now because it's such a beautiful...
Because I'm Colin's favourite. So, nah.
Yeah, he wins.
And the cheapest.
Yes. No. Oh, is this the cheapest? No, Marchin's the
Second cheapest, isn't it?
Yeah, you're the second cheapest. Marchin's the cheapest. Nobody's going to beat Marchin. Twice over.
So get at least 15, 20 grand together. Come and buy a house in Japan.
When he says that, he means pounds. So just say 20, 30K American.
What other currencies exist? The US dollar? It's not real currency. Canadian dollar?
Yeah. That's monopoly money, I know.
Yeah. Buy Bitcoin instead. That's the reason why I was able to buy this, because of Bitcoin. So.
So you
Do
made
you
some money
research on Bitcoin?
You made some money on Bitcoin? Mm-hmm. Okay. Hey.
But we won't talk about that.
It is what it is. See ya.
Ta-da.
Here we are, John. We're here.
Made it?
We made it. Want to make out now?
No, not really.
Anyhow, well, we took the wrong turn to get to his house, and we ended up in.
I've just bought my second house.
Yeah.
This red one here.
Nice. We made it all the way to Mount Fuji. Isn't that pretty cool? Yes. Because remember we saw it in the background of visiting house number 1? It was on the drive there. And here we are. We made it. Full circle. Awesome. How you feeling? You liking Japan?
It took us 3 wrong turns to get here.
How you liking Japan so far?
Beautiful.
It's awesome.
Hopefully I can stay here for longer than 2 months.
Hopefully, huh?
Hopefully.
Yeah. And now I also have my friend Dave with us. The guy I told you about in the stories, he's right there.
He hasn't stopped talking about you, Dave.
Yeah. Missed the guy. And now he's here. I missed my kimchi. All right, thanks, Dave. Thanks, John. Thanks, Fuji. Want to go hiking now?
No.
Okay. Hello, everybody. This isn't a client. This is my best friend from high school. My Korean crazy-ass friend. You know, BS Lim, his name was. Bullshit Lim. That's what we call him.
Don't remember, huh?
Oh, I remember everything, buddy. Come on, man, here. People actually care. So here he came to suddenly visit me in Japan. He said, hey, I'm hopping over there on a plane. I'm coming to see you. And I haven't seen this guy in years. We've seen each other maybe 4 times in the last 20-something years since high school. Oh, shit, 30 years. Holy crap. That's how old we were. We're 50. Well, he's almost 50. He's 49. He's still younger than me. I take care of him, don't worry. So, yes. Pretty cool?
Pretty cool.
Yeah. All right, there you go. There's Dave and John. Welcome. Smile.
Would it be too weird to do airplanes with it?
Yeah, he'll get sick. Okay, we got him. Good boy. Wow. The beauty. Look at the quiet nature.